finally, here I am. With just 2 days more to live. After all the fighting, all the striving hard, I kept on pushing just to be sure that I will stand on my feet someday. But I guess not. I guess my fate is different. God, why? Why does it seem like my story is different? Why does it seem like I was born with an ill fate? Is growing up without a father not enough? I guess not. My mates are out there achieving their goals, soaring high, and I'm here with just 2 days more to go. Why is my story different? Why does it have to be this way for me? Why? God, why? Why does it feel like I'm the only one with such fate? Why, God? Why? Why?